Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about the program concept, or what we mean by a program. Program is basically you have a specific problem and you want to find solution for this problem. If you try to solve this problem by math, it will cost you time and money. Maybe you cannot solve this problem like basic math or paper or whatever. So what you will do is say, okay, I will do problem solving. What we mean by problem solving, you think about this problem and try to find solution for it. And you will write your program for this problem. The program will be number of line of code. When this line get executed, it will solve the problem for you. And this is basically what we mean by program. So program is just certain steps. When it execute, it will solve a specific problem for the user. So now let we understand the main concept of programming. A program, one of the rule you have to know about it, the program will be executed step by step. That means if you have x equal 10, then you have x equal x plus 1, then you have a print x. So let we suppose this is basic program, whatever print mean. Don't care about it. So this is first step. This one will execute first. So the program will be run from here. So he will give value 10 for x. Then he will increase x by 1. So now here x equal 11, while before x equal 10. So what we mean x equal x plus 1? That means x, the new x will be old x, which is 10, added to 1, which is 11. Then you print the value of x in the screen. Basically, what I want to show you from this video, you have to know the program will be executed step by step. So he'll execute first step, then second step, then third step. So he never jumped to third step whenever you run it. So when you click run, the program will be run step by step. So try to understand this main concept of programming. Program will be executed step by step. And basically what we mean by program, or what we will do by a program, we have a specific problem and you want to find solution for this problem, we use a program. So let's go and do our first application.